Daniel, do you think?
This is a red line train to Glenmont. The next stop
Daniel, when the doors close, I want you to look at the doors and tell me if you see something good. When the doors close, I want to show you something.
Step back. Doors closed.
Look, it says, please do not lean on door.
You guys got me 153 views.
It's
Brayden, you got me 153 views.
Dang, that's dope. I got you some clout in the process of getting me some clout.
Clout. You don't get the clout.
Clout. Shout out to David D-Money for no reason. I know he isn't in this vlog. I wish he was, so it would be really dope. But stay tuned for his single Clout coming April 20th. It's gonna be dope. Everybody went so hype in this video. Dope. I mean, that day was mad lit. Okay, we're entering Farragut North.
Oh my goodness.
Yo. Send that one to me, Daniel. Oh, you sent all of them?
Doors opening. This is a red line train to Glenmont. The next stop is Metro Step back. Doors open.
Okay, 2 more stops to go. Metro and then Gallery. Oh, those, I think they removed those, first of all, and second of all, those are like the Periscope ads. They were pretty cool. It was like advertisements that were like moving. They have something like that on the New York City subway, set this like art. It's somewhere in Brooklyn. If I go to New York this summer, I'll be sure to get a video of it. I'll try to, I think it's on like the R train. But yeah, if I go to New York, it goes from Manhattan to Brooklyn somewhere. I'll have to check the map. There's so many dang. I might go to New York this summer.
I might be going to Connecticut this summer.
Cool.
Oh.
So yeah, stay tuned if I do end up going to New York, which I probably won't, but whatevs.
Watch the interview for me. You know the U.S. people from the U.S. aren't allowed in North Korea. You automatically get executed. No.
This is
It's against their law.
transfer is available
South Korea.
silver and blue lines on the lower
Hey, that's my.
So yeah, we arrived in Metro Center. It's the second to last stop. We'll be getting off at the next stop.
I actually have a famous friend. Hey, I don't know who this guy.
It's me, Metro Center. Maybe if we can. We'll be like doing like it'll be like the Hershey Park one where you just like start randomly dancing to random stuff.
Doors open. Step back to allow customers to exit.
Yeah, we'll be getting off at the next stop, Gallery Place.
This is a red line train to Glenmont. The next stop is Gallery Place, Chinatown.
This guy is actually my friend. Chinatown.
That's also the place we'll be transferring trains. Dance with my dogs in the night time.
Step back. Doors open.
Alright, I'm just gonna say this in advance. Next stop's Gallery Place. We'll be getting off. Delta ride on Kawasaki 7219 from Shady Grove to Gallery Place. Meet Double Daniels, who rode with me all the way from Shady Grove to Gallery Place. And Aaron, who jumped on and joined us at Bethesda. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Train should be moving shortly, hopefully. I mean, we did this at Metro Center, so we still got to get to Gallery
This
Place.
guy who's verified actually followed me because he's my friend.
Nice.
Yes. For the Chicago White Sox, but he's in the minor league. Oh, and he's giving me, he signed my back. Damn it, no one likes it. But look at this,
What the?
287.
Well then.
I got 287 likes on that. What the?
Dang, you can see the frames for where the advertisements used to be.
This is Gallery Place, Chinatown. Transfer is available to the green and yellow lines on the lower level.
Alright, we're entering Gallery Place, guys.
I found out a hack for Instagram how to get free likes. Seriously, I'll even show you I get free likes.
Alright, this is Gallery Place. We're gonna transfer here. Are we getting off 7219? This dope little ride. Once you're here. 7247 and 7246 where the train's leading.